Subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and never miss an update from Latestly.
Friends, in these times, it is natural to talk about revival. It is equally natural to link global revival and India. There is faith that the story of global revival will have India playing a leading role. First is Indian talent. World over, you have seen the contribution of India's talent force. This includes Indian professionals, doctors, nurses, bankers, lawyers, scientists, professors, our hardworking laborers. Who can forget the Indian tech industry and tech professionals? Indians are natural reformers. History has shown that India has overcome every challenge, be it social or economical. We are making the economy more productive, investment friendly and competitive. Our relief package has been smart and targeted to provide the most poor with the most help. Thanks to technology, every penny has reached the beneficiaries directly. Relief includes providing free cooking gas, cash in the bank accounts, free food grains to millions of people and many other things. As soon as we unlock, we have launched one of the world's largest public works program to provide employment to millions of workers. This will not only re-energize the rural economy, but also help in creation durable infrastructure in the rural areas. A booming MSME sector will also complement big industries. There are investment opportunities in the defense sector. With relaxed FDI norms, one of the world's biggest militaries invites you to come and make products for it. Now, there are more opportunities for private investment in space sector. This will mean greater access to commercial use of space tech for the benefit of people. India's ancient culture, India's universal peaceful ethos is our strength. Friends, India is ready to do whatever it can do to further global good and prosperity. This is an India that is reforming, performing and transforming. This is an India that offers new economic opportunities. This is an India that is adopting a human-centric and inclusive approach to development.